Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get these cambered wheels on Rocket League. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So in order to get these wheels, first of all you need to have Bacchus mod installed in your PC. So if you don't have it, just go ahead here on bacchusplugins.com and then you will see Bacchus mod here and download it. After you will install it, if you don't know how to install it properly, then I'm gonna leave the link in the description or I'm gonna leave somewhere here a card where you can click on and check out my video how to do this properly. Once you will have Bacchus mod, you want to go ahead to the plugins, and on top plugins you will see Alpha Console. After that, once the Bacchus mod is opened, you want to click install with Bacchus mod. And now this will pop up and you want to go ahead and click on this button here, open plugin installer, and your Alpha Console will install. After that, all you need to do is go ahead and open up Bacchus mod just like so. And after that, you need to go ahead and click, after it will inject, you need to press F2 or F2. If you are having any problems, I also have other videos how to fix problems with Bacchus mod, but basically all you have to do is click F2 or F2, for example, it's for me, and Bacchus mod settings will pop up. After that, you need to go to Alpha Console here at the top and then click Toggle Alpha Console, then click on Car and scroll down to the bottom almost until you will see Wheel Camber. And here you will see camber degrees, and as you can see, the wheels are cambering. So that's basically how it works. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.